Hi friends, welcome to Suvi Education. In this video, we are going to learn the biology questions with answers that has been repeatedly asked in all competitive exams, and these questions are taken from SSC CGL question papers. We can move on to the questions. And the first one, acid stored in batteries is, the acid stored in batteries is sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. And the acid that is stored, that is sulfuric acid, is a lead and lead dioxide, that is lead Pb, called as Pb, and lead dioxide. Okay, these are the active materials on the battery plates. Okay, these are the active materials on the battery plates react with sulfuric acid. So these two react with H2SO4 sulfuric acid in the electrolyte to form lead sulfate. That is, sulfuric acid reacts with lead or lead dioxide to form lead sulfate. Okay, PbSO4. That is sulfuric acid. Is it clear? And the second one, stone cancer occurs due to, that is stone cancer occurs due to, and the answer is acid rain. We all know about acid rain, that is how we get like stone cancers due to acid rain. The drinking water, that is the drinking water which has been contaminated with acid rain. So the drinking water that has been contaminated with the acid rain, okay, can cause brain damage, cancer, etc. Okay, this will be causing brain damage, cancer, etc. So that is stone cancer will be occurs due to acid rain. Third question, the chemical which is used in art and craft and can cause anemia and leukemia is, okay, and the question is, the chemical which is used in art and craft and can cause anemia and leukemia, that is benzene. Okay, at what, that is the benzene is a chemical. It is used in art and craft, that is used to make like plastics, resins, or like in all pesticides, detergents, drugs, etc. Okay, these are widely used in the industrial chemical, that is benzene. This is a chemical that is used in all industrial areas for making plastics, resins, drugs, etc. So these will be causing, this can cause anemia and leukemia. Okay, and next question, total number of muscles present in our body, total number of muscles present in our body is 656. We all might be familiar with like bones. We have 206 bones. Okay, and we must not remember about muscles. We have 656 muscles. Clear? 656 muscles and bones, 206 bones. Next question, which one of the following glands is responsible for secretion of sex hormones? Okay, which gland is responsible? And the answer is pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, this produces prolactin. Okay, pituitary gland produces prolactin. It also secretes, this pituitary gland, this also secretes hormones that act on adrenal gland, thyroid gland, ovaries and testes. Okay, so which gland is responsible for secretion of sex hormone? That is pituitary gland. This produces prolactin. Okay, and the next question, excretory products of mammalian embryo are eliminated out by, okay, is it clear? Excretory products of mammalian embryo are eliminated out by, and the answer is placenta. Okay, Placenta in the sense, placenta is a flattened, circular organ. It is a circular organ. Okay, in the uterus of a pregnant Eutherian mammals. Okay, in the uterus of the pregnant Eutherian mammals. These are the excretory products of mammalian embryo, that is placenta. Clear? Placenta is a circular organ. That's a flattened circular organ. And the next question is, in onion, the edible part is leaf. Okay, the edible part is leaf. And next one, mushroom cultivation is not useful in biological control of crop disease. Okay, biological control of crop disease. Mushroom cultivations are useful in biogas production. We all know about the biogas, that is the products are degraded and the biogas has been formed. Like all waste materials has been used for biogas, like cow dung and all biological products. Okay, and here recycling of agricultural waste are also used for, like mushroom cultivation is useful for recycling of agricultural wastes. Okay, and it will be also used in preventing cancer. Mushroom cultivation is useful in preventing cancer, and it is not useful in biological control of crop disease. Okay, and the next question, the drone in honeybee are fertile male. Okay, the drone in honeybee are fertile male. The drone is a male bee. This is a male bee. Okay, this is a male bee that is the product of unfertilized egg. Okay, that is the product of an unfertilized egg. Unfertilized egg. Clear? The drone is a male bee, that is a fertile male bee that is the product of an unfertilized egg. Next question. Of which tissue nails, hooves and horns are made of? Is it clear? Of which tissue nails, hooves and horns are made of? And the answer is keratin. Okay, from the keratin the nails, hooves and horns are made up of. Okay, we all know that the nails are grown from keratin, right? So hooves and horns are also like made of, or it is produced from like the keratin. The next question, odontology is the branch of science which deals with the study of odontology is the branch of science which deals with the study of teeth. Okay, it is made of, sorry, odontology is the branch of science that is the study of teeth. And next one, an invertebrate does not have notochord. Okay, an invertebrate does not have notochord. Invertebrates are animals that are neither process nor develop a vertebral column. Okay, vertebral column. So, an invertebrates are animals neither possess or nor develop vertebral column derived from the notochord. These are derived from the notochord. So, an invertebrate does not have notochord. The next question. The radioactive strontium 90 causes. Okay. The radioactive strontium causes, and the answer is skin cancer. Strontium 90, this is deposited in bones and bone marrow. These are deposited in bones and bone marrow. Okay, bones and bone marrow. It's in the presence of like it can also cause bone cancer. So as it is present in like bones and bone marrow, it can also cause bone cancer. Okay. and cancer of nearby tissues also, as it is near like nearby tissues and all, it can cause cancers. Okay, and skin cancer in the abnormal growth of like skin cells, the abnormal growth of skin cells, that is skin cancer due to the radioactive strontium 90 causes skin cancer. Okay, so this is skin cancer. And the next question, normally animals can change the place, but which one of the following animals cannot change the place? Is it clear? Normally animals can change the place. Everyone know that animals can change the place. But which one of the following animals cannot change the place? The changing of place, that is from one place to another, we call it as habitat, right? And here the answer is hydra. The animals which does not change its place is hydra. Hydra, these are like aquatic animals. These are small aquatic animals. We all know that hydra means water, right? So these are small aquatic animals. These are very tiny, mostly very tiny. Okay, so the animals which does not change its place is hydra. And next one, the sugar present in DNA. The sugar present in DNA is pentose, that is 5 carbon sugar. 5 carbon sugar. We all know that like mono, di, tri, tetra, penta. So penta means 5. Okay. So the sugar present in DNA is pentose. Pentose means 5 carbon sugar. 5 carbon sugars are ribose and deoxyribose. Deoxyribose. These are most important components of nucleotides. Okay, so most important components of nucleotides and are found in RNA and DNA. Found in RNA and DNA. So the sugar present in DNA is pentose. So is it clear? Thank you friends for watching my channel. Please do subscribe for new videos.